Making images is a form of knowing. And every media used to make images with is a different way of coming to that understanding. Because they each offer unique experiences and perspectives, I work in many media simultaneously, comparing and contrasting them to get a fuller picture of what's really there and what more is going on. In the end, I make many studies before distilling them into the new works they bring to completion. I think of them as necessary pieces of a puzzle to find a bigger picture, or waypoints of discovery to find a journey's end. Here are a few of the things I do. I abstract my images to experience what color communicates separately from subject. I'm always mindful of how color changes over time. I discover color on the inside as well as the outside. I divide the frame in many ways, like using musical intervals to strike specific chords within us. With geometry, I measure what is measurable and make measurable what is not. Like a signature, a line can tell you so much about a thing, a place, an event, a time, and their relationships with one another. With simple lines, I explore the essence of archetypal landscapes, before, during, and after encounters with particular ones. I use 3D software and even video games as a way of moving into, through, and around the insides of drawings. I make photographs as a form of meditation. Drawing is the mirror through which I watch symmetry awaken and unfold the mysterious. I use symmetry to unlock voices and strike up conversations with the world within and without. I reduce images to black and white, no shades of gray, to see what is revealed when only the broadest strokes remain. I unite past and current photographs of places to find what has changed, what is not, and what is still changing. After viewing these studies, your understanding of these ideas may be enhanced, as mine has been, through the production of them. At the very least, I hope you've taken pleasure in sharing this journey.